Hi everyone. Do you know that the word have is not used only to show possession? In English, have has many important uses. Let's learn them with simple examples. Use number 1, possession. We use have to say that someone owns or possesses something. For example, I have a car. They have a beautiful house. I have a new phone. Remember, with he, she, and it, we use has. She has a beautiful dress. He has a new laptop. Use number 2, relationships. We can use have to talk about family and relationships. I have 2 brothers. She has a sister. They have many friends. Use number 3, food and drinks. Have is commonly used when talking about eating and drinking. I have breakfast at 8 o'clock. We have lunch together. She has coffee every morning. I had dinner with my family. Use number 4, experiences and activities. Have can also describe experiences and activities. We had a wonderful time. I had a great experience. Let's have a meeting. Let's have a conversation. Use number 5, problems and situations. We use have to talk about problems, appointments, and situations. I have a problem. She has a headache. We have an important meeting today. They have an appointment. Use number 6, have to. Have to means something that is necessary or something that you must do. I have to work today. You have to study hard. She has to leave now. We have to follow the rules. Use number 7, present perfect tense. Have can be used as a helping verb with the third form of a verb. I have finished my work. They have completed the project. We have seen this movie. I have learned English. So remember, have can show possession, relationships, food and drinks, experiences, problems, situations, obligations, and completed actions. The more you practice, the more naturally you will use have. If this lesson was helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. Keep learning, keep practicing, and speak English with confidence.